Welcome to day 1, the present. Now take a moment and make yourself comfortable, sitting straight in your chair, on your sofa or bed, in a way that your breathing can just flow effortlessly. And then just put your hands relaxed onto your lap. And whenever you're ready, allow your eyes to close. We all have worries and anxieties, especially when we experience a lot of pressure and stress on a daily basis. More than 10 million people suffer from anxiety. You're not alone with this. When you feel anxious, you might feel nervous all the time, on edge. You might experience a lot of tension in your body, overwhelm, worries, restlessness, distress. Anxiety can be experienced on a physical, emotional, and mental level, and it manifests itself in very different ways. To feel anxious is natural, and as such it is built into our biology. It is just a normal human emotion that is serving us to feel safe and to survive when we experience a threat. It also manifests through our beliefs, perceptions, coping mechanisms, and outer stress. Often it is a response to worries about an unknown and uncertain future. Yet often we are even not aware of why we are feeling anxious in certain moments or situations. Our mind can perceive anxiety without any immediate identified reason. Meditation and mindfulness are very helpful to reduce feelings of anxiety. So in the upcoming 7 days, we will explore a mindful way of being and how it can help you. Let's start today with an easy breathing exercise. When we focus our awareness on the breathing and our body, it is easier to connect to the present moment. That is very handy when we feel anxious. Focusing on that present moment allows you to take a distance from topics that may cause you worries at the present time about an uncertain future, or if you find yourself ruminating of past experiences. Focusing on the present moment gives you the space to pause and to take a break from a busy mind. You have the possibility to interrupt your thought processes that run just automatically and can cause a lot of extra stress. As you return to the moment you are in, all your awareness on your breathing and the sensations in your body, give your mind some rest as you observe what is happening inside you and around you. We begin today by taking some long and deep breaths. Just letting go of all thoughts and worries as you relax your whole body. You breathe in calm. Exhale all tension and worries. And continue to breathe in a way that just feels comfortable for you. And then begin to follow the natural flow of your breathing as you inhale and exhale. Just notice how every breath you take connects you more and more to the present moment. And now focus your attention on your body, all the way down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And just observe all the sensations you encounter without any judgment or without the need to achieve something. There is nothing to figure out. Don't try to make anything happen. Just observe now. Just focus your attention on your face and relax all those tiny muscles around your eyes. Let them rest and relax. And then relax your forehead, Relax the jaw. You might even notice interesting sensations in your mouth that would otherwise go unnoticed. And now, for a moment, just focus your attention on your neck. Relax all those muscles in your neck. As you notice, your shoulders relax as well, becoming limp and loose, and just dropping down, relaxing. Very good. And breathe that relaxation into your shoulders, letting go of all the tension. Notice all the sensations in the shoulders, around the neck, and how the tension just dissolves as you keep breathing comfortably, connecting you even more with this present moment. And now notice your sensations in your arms. You might experience a tingling sensation, perhaps a warmth, a freshness, pulsation. You might notice you notice nothing, and that's okay. Just accept whatever it is that you are experiencing right now. And now, just allow your attention to flow down your arms to your wrists and hands and your fingers. Just notice what you notice, breathing comfortably and naturally. Just observe how your lungs are expanding as they are filled with air, and how they are contracting as you exhale. Now become aware of your abdomen. Emotions are often experienced in that area, your gut. And notice what you notice there. And when you sense some tension, release it. Let go. As you expand your breathing into your abdomen. Very good. And now focus your attention on your back and observe as you rest and relax, noticing all the sensations in your back. And maybe you notice nothing, and that's okay. Just observe for a moment. And now become aware of your pelvis, noticing your body resting on that chair, sofa or bed, connecting. Notice the space you take and all the space around you. And now just for a moment become aware of your hips, noticing all the little details there. Focus down, put your attention on your legs, and imagine you breathe all the way through your legs. What can you notice? As you are becoming aware of your knees, your calves, your shins, your knuckles, all the way down to your feet and toes. Relax any tension and observe all the sensations with an open and accepting mind. Feel the weight of your body. Maybe you begin to feel pleasantly heavy or lighter. Notice the temperature in the room and all the sounds around you. Just observing and connecting. Become aware of being aware of this very moment and how your mind is calm when you just focus on your breathing and all the sensations in your body. Your focus and attention sends the signal that all is well. Your mind can rest and your body follows. You are safe, mindful, observation. Allow you to create space and gain more clarity. There's no need to figure something out, and there's no need to fix anything. The content of your thoughts is not important, as you can just observe without judgment. That makes mindfulness so helpful if you want to release anxiety. And as you are connected to this present moment, feeling rested and relaxed, you can now come back into the room fully alert and awake, wiggling your fingers and toes, stretching your body, taking a deep breath of fresh air in, opening your eyes when you are ready and exhale. Congratulations! You finished day 1 of your 7-day learning experience. And I'm very much looking forward to continue with you tomorrow. I'm curious how your experience of today was and how you feel now. Tomorrow we will talk more about our mind and body connection. Till then, have a lovely day. Speak soon. Bye bye.